You know, making more with less, that's a goal for so many people in agriculture, especially these days. Technology takes a big part of that. And at AgXcel, this is actually a business located here in Kearney. And you guys, you really take technology to a whole nother level. Explain what your guys' goal is here.
Our goal is basically to help farmers produce more with less. And we're part of an organization called the Responsible Nutrient Management Foundation, where we're looking for ways to ensure that farmers can protect the future of our children, basically. And with the health of soil, building products that help them to be able to increase their yields with less product.
Now, you really focus on fertilizer too and placement.
Of a 500-gallon tank, along with an AgXcel GX2B dual pump.
Ag placement, that has been a big deal lately in the last few years. Explain exactly what you guys are able to do.
A lot of questions that they have basically are, how much do I put down? Am I putting down the right amount? Am I over applying, under applying? And that's a critical factor because, one, if you over apply, you're wasting fertilizer, wasting cost. You can get a lot of washout from fertilizer. But then again, if you under apply, then you're not really going to get the yields that you're expecting. So it's a really critical element, and what we do is that we build systems that help them ensure that they're getting the right product at the right time in the right place and the right amount. And so our products are called Precision Liquid Fertilizer Application Solutions, and that's just what they do. They ensure that if a farmer wants to put down 20 gallons an acre, not only are we going to tell him that he's putting 20 gallons an acre, but we're also going to ensure that every single row is putting down the 63.2 ounces a minute per row. So
it's so accurate. It's amazing what you guys can do anymore with GPS and all that. And you can tell, well, this section of the field needs more or less, right? That's kind of how it works if you put it in layman's terms, right?
That's exactly what it is. It's gone from basically the farmer turning a little knob in his cab and hoping that the rate's right, and when he speeds up, it's wrong. When he slows down, it's over applying, to where we're now taking GPS coordinates and speed and putting that into a controller so that basically when he speeds up, he slows down, it locks in on the rate. When he wants to put down what they call variable rate application, wants to put more or less with yield maps, it's right on the money. And so it's come to a point now where it really is precision planting. And a lot of the tools that are out there are helping farmers to produce more with less.
Now you mentioned it doesn't matter if they're drilling, strip tilling. You have different options for anybody. They can come in and kind of get their own customized way, right, of what you guys can do.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it is that we build from top to bottom. So when they come in and they ask about, hey, I'm going to be strip tilling this fall, I need to put down 40 gallons to the acre, we build a system that fits their requirement. We design these here. We go out on farms and we'll work with a farmer to build a bracket to fit a new planter. So it's anywhere from the tank all the way to the applicating system, electric, hydraulic systems, and even the stainless steel tubes or applicators that go down in the furrow. So we do a lot of calculation. It's not just, well, this is a system that'll fit your needs. We do a lot of calculations saying what's your speed, what's your rate, what do you think you're going to be trying to accomplish in the next season? And so we do these rate calculations to ensure that it's going to fit what he's trying to do and do it appropriately.
Well, we're going to take a look at some of the specific products that AgXcel has as well. So you want to make sure that you join us here on NTV's Grow later on. But if you do have questions, remember you can always go to our website as well, nebraska.tv.